Drug discovery is the scientific process of identifying, designing, and developing new medicines to treat diseases. It is the first and most critical stage in the journey of a drug long before it reaches patients. Drug discovery aims to find compounds that can safely and effectively prevent, treat, or cure illnesses by targeting specific biological mechanisms in the body. At its core, drug discovery begins with understanding disease. Scientists first study how a disease develops at the molecular and cellular level. This includes identifying the genes, proteins, enzymes, or pathways that are responsible for causing or worsening the condition. These biological components are known as drug targets. A good drug target plays a key role in disease progression and can be safely influenced by a medicine. Once a target is identified, researchers search for compounds that can interact with it in a beneficial way. These compounds may come from natural sources such as plants or microorganisms, or they may be synthesized in laboratories. In modern drug discovery, large chemical libraries containing millions of molecules are screened to find those that show activity against the target. This step is known as hit identification. After potential hits are found, scientists move to lead optimization. During this stage, promising molecules are refined to improve their effectiveness, safety, and stability. Chemists modify the structure of these compounds to enhance their ability to bind to the target, reduce side effects, and improve how the drug behaves in the body. This process often requires repeated testing and refinement. An important part of drug discovery is understanding how a potential drug is absorbed, distributed, metabolized, and eliminated by the body. These properties determine whether a drug can reach the target in sufficient amounts and remain effective for an appropriate duration. Poor performance in these areas can cause a drug candidate to fail, even if it works well in laboratory experiments. Drug discovery also focuses heavily on safety. Early testing is done to identify toxic effects before a compound advances further. Many drug candidates fail at this stage because they may harm healthy cells, cause organ damage, or produce unacceptable side effects. Identifying these issues early helps reduce costly failures later in development. Traditionally, drug discovery has been a slow and expensive process. It can take several years to move from initial target identification to a single promising drug candidate. Out of thousands of compounds tested, only a small number ever reach clinical trials, and even fewer become approved medicines. High failure rates are a major reason why drug development costs are so high. Recent advances in technology have significantly changed drug discovery. Computational modeling, artificial intelligence, and big data analysis are now widely used to predict how molecules will behave before they are synthesized. These tools help researchers narrow down the most promising candidates faster and reduce the need for trial and error experiments. As a result, drug discovery is becoming more efficient and data driven. Collaboration plays a major role in modern drug discovery. Pharmaceutical companies, biotechnology firms, academic institutions, and research organizations often work together to share knowledge, resources, and expertise. This collaborative approach helps accelerate innovation and allows complex diseases to be tackled more effectively. Drug discovery is not limited to creating completely new medicines. It also includes repurposing existing drugs for new uses. Sometimes a drug developed for one disease is found to be effective against another. Drug repurposing can significantly shorten development time and reduce costs because the safety profile of the drug is already known. Despite technological progress, drug discovery remains challenging. Diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and rare genetic disorders are biologically complex and difficult to treat. The human body is highly interconnected, and altering one pathway can have unintended consequences. This complexity makes predicting success extremely difficult. In simple terms, drug discovery is the foundation of modern medicine. It transforms scientific knowledge into practical treatments that improve and save lives. Every effective medicine available today began as a discovery in a laboratory, driven by years of research, experimentation, and innovation. In conclusion, drug discovery is a multidisciplinary process that combines biology, chemistry, pharmacology, and technology to create new therapies. Although it is time-consuming and risky, it remains essential for advancing healthcare. Understanding what drug discovery is helps explain why new medicines take so long to develop and why continued investment in research is crucial for the future of medicine.